I'm going to try. I'm going to do this one, Eh? See, okay, you never have to do anything. Eh? See, I'm going to try. I don't understand, sir. I don't understand. Wait to. Apart from my parents said I may wash. You don't wash her. Because now I want you to take commodity because me a lot of fish this afternoon. Eh? But now if I go look up before I know that thing. If I come out for that bed. I can't go look quiet because apart from my own day body.
If you run away,
you see that pants where I want to go party. I tell you say since this one want to go party, this one leave this pants here. Eh? You leave this pants. I don't understand. I mean this one, you know how my great pants where they go. Eh? You know how my great the pants. Papah Ifëoma. Okay, now here you do. Okay, Ifëoma, this one you dey wash. Don't even play am. I think you need wash off from when you don't wash the pants.
Right.
I said, hey, you go here. I mean, no one my great pants go where they go.
Sorry, no verse. The thing just skip my mind. No.
I said, no verse.
I use my life to give away.
This woman, which kind of life is this one? Huh? Which kind of life is this one? So now to wash pants, now I just leave Nigeria, come here, come there do it. Wash pants. Which kind of life is this one? I think this woman want to turn me into. I think this woman want to turn me into God. Hey!
You never see anything.
It is smoky.
I know what about it.
Hey!
This man.
Hey! Sorry, what did I go tell my parents? What did I go tell my people? I find visa, come here, na pants.
Jesus!
Hey!
What you got on now?
Hey! Jesus! This is not good, sure. It's not good. It's not good. That's one thing I like. You know, she dey use me. I like the aroma of the pants. So delicious. So delicious. What's in it?
Oh no. Oh God, you are possessed. This man is smoking. Okay, yeah, in a sushi. When you get hard to park out.
Should be just what that video now. And you like am, I beg. Help us share, like and comment. And don't forget to follow this page. So I beg. Help our ministry. God bless you all. Bye bye.